Hi everyone, I'm Leanne Daughtry and I'm your instructor. And I've had a few emails, so I just wanted to make sure that you knew where your course materials were located and how to get into them so you could start doing your assignments. So I am just on the main page of our Blackboard course, Bio 111, section I-02, which is a fully online course. And the materials that you have for this course are going to be the textbook and the access code for the lecture assignments. And that comes from Pearson Publishing, Mastering Biology. And then the other is going to be your lab kit. And so let's start with when we look at our Blackboard page, we would go into, let's see. There we go. All right, so when you click on the course name, it pulls down all the other areas. But the main thing is the course information. So you go into course information. And within course information, you can click on where it says My Instructor, and that will give you my contact information. And then you can click on Syllabus and General Policies, and that will give you a course syllabus and a schedule. And I recommend that you read that and that you print out the schedule. And then, so that is for the course information. Then you go to weekly lessons. Once you have done the enrollment verification quiz, I think it's called enrollment verification quiz. So you're going to click on the getting started. And the enrollment verification quiz you will have to do before you can access anything else. But that is due by May the 22nd. So getting started, if you click on that, so in the getting started section, let me just go back. So going back to weekly lessons, if you scroll to the getting started section, that is going to take you to the enrollment verification quiz. So make sure you do that. Then the getting started here is an actual digital lab activity. So when you click on it, you're going to be asked either to purchase the kit with a credit card, or you're going to be asked to enter an access code. If you have bought the kit from the bookstore, so the bookstore sells the kit and the access code for the digital materials is included in the kit. If you just use a credit card, it will give you access to the digital content, and then you'll have to put in your information so the kit will be mailed to your house, to your address that you give them. So when you click on getting started, if you're paying with a credit card, you have two options when you click on getting started. You can enter an access code, and the only way you would already have an access code is if you purchased your kit from the bookstore. Or you have the other option of entering your credit card information, purchasing your kit with a credit card. In that case, you won't have your kit for a little while, but you'll have it in a few days, and you should go ahead now and order it. They have them in the bookstore. They have the actual kits. But if you are, I know you guys are online students, and some of you may not be coming out to campus, so you can actually pay with a credit card and put in your information to have the kit mailed to you. But you do need to do this today because the summer course does not last as long as the fall and spring semester courses do. And so you'll need to have that kit within the next week or so. All right, so that's how you're going to do it, and getting started will be your first lab. You'll always know that it's a science interactive lab because it'll have this little symbol here. But that is how you actually access your lab kit. And then I think you can go in here to eText and course resources, and you can go get to your textbook and the access code for that through Bibliu. And then once you click on Bibliu, you can scroll down and you will see your book, and you'll click on it. And it also has a QR code so that you can download the app and your textbook on your phone. Okay, so here is your like lecture materials, and that's going to be from Mastering Biology. All right, so hopefully this was helpful. Let me know if you have any problems, and have a great day. Bye.